Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can share your screen on Microsoft Teams while in a meeting. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And yeah, this is how you can do it. So first up, I will show you guys my mock meeting that I set up for you guys. Once you're in this meet, let's say you want to share your screen. You can do this by tapping on the share button on the top right corner. It says share content. Just tap on share and you can see it gives you two options where you can either share your window or you can share the entire screen. Let's say I tap on screen and everything that I do in this screen will now be shared into my meeting, including the computer audio. There is an option where you can select it and all the audio that is playing on your computer will be shared as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can share your screen on Microsoft Teams inside of a meeting. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.